Click Search, Input F021, select ID 252 to enter key data. S4 Ford Tibbe key jaw and 2.0mm cutter will be needed for this key. Fix the key blank to the end of key jaw and tighten the screw on the top of the key jaw. Rotate the key blank to scale 1. Shown in the figure. Install the key jaw to the machine. Click Decode to start decoding. After decoding is done, remove the key and key jaw. Fix the key blank to the end of key jaw and tighten the screw on the top of the key jaw. Shown in the figure. Install the key jaw to the machine. Click Cut and Direct Cutting Mode to start cutting. After cutting is done, clean the shavings and loosen the right knob. Turn the key blank to the other side. Rotate the key to scale 1. Click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done. Please clean the shavings and test that the new key works well.